Hi everyone, this is Data Gyan, and as promised yesterday, I am here with the second video in the SQL playlist. I'll be adding more and more in this playlist. So if you liked the yesterday's video, then please like and subscribe. So for today, we are going to just understand the use case number 2. This is also a very famous use case, and this is one step ahead of the thing that we learned yesterday. Yesterday we learned how to find the second highest or third highest or the lowest salary from a table where segregation is not done. So you can look over here. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to find the second highest or second lowest, whatever, or third highest from a table in each department. So here you can see every ID I have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and anything. I'll make the table in front of you so that you can practice alongside me. And the requirement is, like, you have to find the second highest salary. So second ID is having 2000, so it's second highest. Okay, so how this rank comes, I'll show you right now. So coming to the table, so let's create the table. So I'm going to use the same programmist.online compiler, so you can use this. So let us run the queries. So I've already created the queries so that it won't take much time, but you can pause and create the queries. Okay, so we created the table. Table's name is SQL1. Now we are going to insert some data into this. So here you can see I've inserted some of the data. Let's validate it, whether the data is there or not. So if you see over here, so our table is ready. Table is having 4 columns. So ID, name, department, and salary. This is basically what we call a schema. So for each ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see name, I have chosen A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. And I have given department D1, D1, D2, 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 and D3, D3, D3. And everybody in the department is having salary as 1000, 2000, and 3000. So what are use cases? We want second highest salary. Okay. So what we can do? So for whenever you see or hear the interviewer asking you that I want second highest, third highest in each department, just make up your mind that you have to use the window function. So in these cases, when you have to find second highest, third highest, when you have to give a rank to something, we have to use either row number, or it can be rank, or it can be dense rank. I'll make a dedicated video for what is the difference and where all you can use this. So just bear with me till then. So because this is a question which is usually asked, so you can practice it, and I'll make a video on this as well. So let's go and select it, and let me tell you the approach. So whenever you see these kind of questions, first try to give ranking to each of the salary, because we want the second highest salary. So we are going to give the rank on the salary. So what we are doing is we are selecting ID, name, department, and salary. And for giving the rank, as I used in the use case yesterday, so what we are doing, we are giving a row number over, it is the keyword that is being used with the window function row number. Okay. And we are creating a partition. So we are creating the partition on the name basis of department. Why? Because the use case says I want the second highest salary in each department. And to find the highest salary and all, how to give the rank? So we are choosing salary as the schema column, and we are giving it as a rank. Okay, we are aliasing it as a column name rank from SQL1. If I run this query, you can see a new schema has been introduced as rank, and 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 has been given to each of the department. So for understanding this, you can understand from the syntax how partition is being created. Partition is being created on the basis of department, and how ranking is given. We are giving the ranking on the basis of salary. So order by is a compulsory clause when you are using row number, rank, or dense rank. And partition is used when you want to give ranking on the basis of each of the department. Okay, so here you can see this. If I want to now, this doesn't suffice our like use cases. So what we want, we just want the second rank from this. Okay, so I told you that subselect is a very important thing. So that is why I'll be using it. As you can see, I'm using select ID, name, department, and salary from this, works as a subselect from this table, and we have to give some name to it. So I told you, like, I prefer using temp. So I have given it from temp where rank is equal to 2. So if I execute this, you can see that it is picking the second highest salary, because rank 2 was given to rank 1 was with 3000, the highest salary, because the order was descending. Rank 2 was given to 2000, the second highest, and rank 3 was given to the lowest. Okay. And why I told you this, so this is our output, and why I told you that two more window functions can be used for the same. So rank and dense rank works similar to row. Okay, but slight variation is there. I'll teach you that in the upcoming video. But if you want to experience that, so you can pause the video, and what I'm doing, you can do the same. So instead of row, give rank. And if you run the query, you will find the same output. Okay, I have captured that output over here with the rank that is matching to our row number output. And if we go to the dense rank, just give dense, and if you run the query, you will find the same output, okay, that I have captured over here. So these three window functions will bring the same output. You can use any of them, but there is a slight variation that you will be able to understand when I upload the difference between row number, rank, and dense rank. So stay tuned for that. And if you like the video, please subscribe so that I can get motivated and I can create more content for you. So that's it, guys. See you soon.